Hi everyone. So I am Shreyansh Jain and today we will be covering the problem valid parentheses. So the problem statement is we are given a string S which contains the character open bracket and the close bracket, and we need to determine if the input string is a valid string. By valid string it means it generates a valid parenthesis. So let's build the intuition. Let's take the example of this string to build our intuition part. So one observation we see is every close bracket should have a open bracket before it. Because if we don't have a open bracket for a close bracket, then it's not valid. So we can think it is like this. So there will be a open bracket for this part, and this part. So for close bracket, we will check if earlier we had any open bracket. So with this string, let's do some dry run and build the intuition. So what we discussed earlier is for every close bracket, we will try to find the open bracket and make the pair. So here I can see this is the close bracket. So what is the open bracket for this thing is we have this and this. But if we take these two, they will make a pair and a valid string. So we will just take it and remove it. Similarly, now I see this is our close bracket and it make a pair with this one, and we will just remove it. So this is our close bracket and it makes a pair with it, and we will just remove it. So this is our valid string because we are not left with any open or close bracket. So but how to do all of these things which we discussed, like finding the close bracket and making it pair with the open bracket. So how do we do the operation like this, where we need to check the previous elements and do the operation and remove the elements. So in these types of problems, tracks will come handy, where we need to check what was the previous element we got and we need to remove it. So if we get the open bracket, we will just push it and do nothing, because in the intuition part also we didn't do anything when we get the open bracket. But when we get the close bracket, we check the earlier open bracket and try to make the pair, and if the pair exists, then we'll just remove that pair. So what we learned, we will remove all the valid pair as soon as we get that, okay, and check if there exists an open bracket for a current close bracket, and if it doesn't exist, then it is not valid. So this is our pseudo code, this is our method, and we start with the creating an empty stack. So each character in the stack, if the C is equals to open bracket, we just push it. Otherwise, if it is equals to the close bracket and our stack is empty, this means we don't have any open bracket. So we return false. Otherwise, if we get something, that means that would be a open bracket. So that is a pair and we will just remove it. So we will remove from the stack. And at last, if there is something left in the stack, that means it is not valid. So we will return false and the stack is empty. We just return true. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to view more content like this.